Welcome to Spirit Shack. This is the Para4ce Spirit Vibes. So basically what this is a vibration sensor. So it's got 3 individual sensors and each sensor is linked to each set of lights. This being the most sensitive, and that's a bit less sensitive, and that's a bit less sensitive. Yeah, so basically 3 independent sensors. And also they're all facing different directions as well. So you've got XYZ Z for triple access detection of vibration. You can change the sensitivity using this little knob up here on the top. As well as that, you have the on and off switch here, and it takes one 9-volt square battery at the back. Yes, I'm not going to be able to demonstrate this while I'm holding it. I'll have to put it down to show you. But we always recommend a range of different sensors. So if you've got your K2 for EMF, and you've got your REM pod for static, you've got your EVP recorder for sound, this is a good one to add to your collection if you're wanting something new. A means of detecting vibration. You can put it on the floor, for example, and if a spirit walks past and does cause the minutest of vibrations, this should detect it. So I'll put it down and show you it in action. Right, so it does take a second to calibrate. So when you hear that last beep, that means it's calibrated. So the slightest little vibration will trigger it. I might bang it a bit harder to show you all the lights going off. So that's setting it nuts. But yeah, it is incredibly sensitive because I'm only tapping that with my finger. So that is the Spirit Vibes from Para4ce. Let's turn that off. So if you want one of these, I'll leave a link to buy the product in the video description. And thanks for watching.